Lafayette Parish drivers, something to keep in mind as you make your morning commute. Construction is officially underway on the Gisele Place Bridge in Milton. The project includes removing the existing timber span structure and installing a new concrete box culvert. Other improvements include drainage upgrades and channel lining to enhance the safety and durability of the road. The nearly $1 million project, funded through the parish road and bridge millage, is expected to be complete by the beginning of 2026.